Hey guys, it's Junior the Mechanic, 2005 Hummer H2. In today's video, I'm gonna be replacing the shocks on the trunk door. Let's get started. Shocks are what hold the trunk door open, also found underneath the hood of a car. Now take a close look as I open and close the trunk door a few times and notice that the shocks are not working properly, and that the door does not stay open. This is the shock. Notice the black tab on each end of the shock. It's a quick release style shock. There's a quick release on the top and the bottom of the shock. Using a flathead screwdriver, place the flathead between the clip and the hydraulic shock, and pry against the shock to release the tab. Then pull the shock away from the car. Sometimes you have to give the shock a little twist to get it to release. So we got the old shock off, now it's time to put this new shock on. Installing these is easier than trying to get them off the car. All you gotta do is press them onto the tabs. Although we're not done installing both shocks, having one good shock should have enough strength to support the door. Onto the other side. Pry the tab, pull, and twist at the same time to get the shock released. Alright, trunk shocks are now installed. Let's see how this trunk door opens and closes with ease. Here's the old shocks that I removed from the vehicle. Notice that I'm able to move the cylinder with ease. It's a sign that the shocks are bad and need to be replaced. Hopefully you found today's video effective. If so, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that when the next video is released, you will be notified. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.